Good morning. Welcome to Math Time. Today, you are going to be collecting more data, but instead of making a tally chart, you are going to make a picture graph. Okay. So I've created one behind me. You asked two questions today. I believe you were going to ask two questions of your family. The first question is, what is your favorite sport? You give your family the choice of soccer, football, or tennis. I did this with my family, and this is my picture graph. What is your favorite sport? Is at the top of my graph, so you can see it up there. And then, and don't make fun of my pictures because I know they're not great. So then I said soccer. I drew a soccer ball, football, drew a football, tennis, drew a green tennis ball. My green's a little darker than what a tennis ball is. But then for my responses, instead of tally marks, I put a picture every time someone told me that they like that is their favorite sport. So one person said tennis, I put one tennis ball. I had three people say football, so I put three footballs. One person said soccer, I drew one soccer ball. So for the two questions that you have today, get my chair back around. The questions that you have today, the first question is the same question, just like I did. Ask your family members, what is your favorite sport? And then make a picture graph, okay? The other question is, which fruit is your favorite? Banana, apple, or orange? So for that question, which fruit is your favorite? You're gonna do a chart that looks very similar to this, but your choices down below would say banana, apple, orange, and you would draw a picture of a banana, an apple, or an orange. And then as they give you their answers, you're going to draw, if they said banana, you would draw, if two people said banana, two bananas. If three people said orange, you would draw three oranges in that column. All right, so in your math journals, please make two pictographs today answering these two questions. The first one being, what is your favorite sport? Soccer, football, or tennis? Ask your family these questions. And then the second question is going to be, which is your favorite fruit? You also have a task in the back of your packet. Today is day 18. I will snip a piece of I'll snip it and put it on the underneath the video. And then in your math workbook, it is going to be page 93 and 94 today. Hold on a second. I think I got that wrong. Let me go back. Sorry. Guys, you know what? Go with 93 and 94 will be just fine. Page 93 and 94 in your math workbook. Okay? 93 and 94. Good luck, guys.